Hi everyone. Today's section is how to your APIs manage on the Azure service. This is the topic for today. Before going to discuss about that, please subscribe my channel if you like my this section. After yeah, before going to discuss, first most you should have Microsoft Azure login page should be there. If you're not there, you cannot be do that way. Also, Microsoft Azure default is there. They will providing you can free version is there. You can use that one because the limited time after that expire. Right now, you can in case your login is there, you can go to that and inside the one API management is there. You can click. Other than you can search here, you can find that one also. API management. I already using that one continuously. That region will coming. Your project name should be you can give and this is my project number. I will click that one and go to that immediately. After a lot of section overview active log but not go to that place, only API section you can click that one. API means all your API should be you can uh, edit and managing your APIs and tested all things you can able to do it. Right now API all APIs there you can create one. You can create. You can creating means you can description now display name should be you will give in web page you also give in. This is optional, you can give or not. Suffix you can give or not, and base URL this should be you can give that one. They will also they will providing on this one of that one. You can do it. We cannot change that one. Default level coming that one. Right now I'm not creating already existing one. I can updating and check. Yes, I one of API. I'll show you. That is, yeah, that is one of get social fit. That is the one API. I'll checking that one. Here is the five sections you can check. You should be do a first design section. Your API design how can do it. It do that one. In case I'll adding same page will come in. I previously adding that one display name what is the previously given that is unable to adding that one, but display name should be there. And URL section already previously our Azure portal given. I cannot do it. And description and tag will be given. Should be given because this is optional. But in many in case you are developing multiple API, then how can I identify which API what is the purpose? You can give that this way. You can few description should be given and tag will given your tag through we can love track and able to track. That is the required for you. Second team come to a template. I'm not using template also. Query. Why is that query parameter? This is the query parameter. API development time, you are given the query parameter. Here we can give them some optional case will give in. Because in case API will appearing, you can give that one first value one or two. Because default you will this value can visible. That time you cannot give you anything, you can test properly. This is default section. Page number default is one, minimum is one, type is int and value is one. In case you are not given, that will not come to your top position. I'll show you which place that will come. And second in the header you can give it, that can be your API front header will come. If it not given, that will not come. Don't worry for this thing. And the request part. Right now my request is not required. Something you can sending that request body or something you can give it that one. Right now I have no require. That reason I'm not giving. But a response part, in case API trigger part will response success or failure, we can default is success. In case no anything other region will failure, then it's definitely failure section will come. That is our main motive. Then come to um, yes, that is the design section. Our API design section will give in that one. After setting, few settings required for that. What how your API is triggering. That time your display name already there, you cannot do anything. In case modify, you can also modify that one. API name, you can give that one. And this section you can edit that one. DJ, that is our different team is that SWS team, they will providing to, because they will adding that one to environment, each environment they will providing. You can add that one also. And HTTP you can give in suffix what you want, you can give in. This is our company standard, we can give the suffix. Similar your yeah, how can you do your our organization will can this way suffix will this way. You can remove that one, only one thing you will give it. That can possible. Don't go to whole things you can follow, only logically think your how can your API managed. Then come this are already given that one, that is then this will coming suffix, then you will coming come to that place. And tag also you can give, in case required you can give or not. Product key also give, gateway also giving, because one logging time you can finding. And some kind of front end type side you can find that one. Subscription the default will come, I will not require this tick mark for me right now, not required for me. Security region also you can, none I will give in the right now. You can give also open id and also some kind of id you can add that one also. Diagnostic log, yes, this is a default log will coming, I'm not touching that one. This all log will come default for me. And local IP address also is required for me, I will give that one ability. This is the optional, you can you can give or not. Correction protocol or let's see that is can be heading to log, also setting to oil grip that is a mandatory. Add the contact log, additional the basic temporary, you can additionally you can providing right now, not a required additional. So default case I'm using. Advanced option you can give also, I'm not using right now. Then all things are after that you can save. Design section also similar way you can save that one. In case you change, you can give design section also. After you complete this thing, one save button will come. You of that. Oh my god, this is come to some. I'm not pasting. Okay, sorry for that one. Yeah, and click some place. Okay, can get that one. Oh, by mistake I'll click some place. Yes, social API. Yeah, I'm quickly go to that one. Get API. Okay, region section only give that one right now. Then come setting section already to us, explaining that one. After that you can save that one after setting. After test that one, you can already told you some default section will coming. Yes, page number one in default one. I already saw you. This thing is query parameter will coming to here. In case you are not given, this section will not appear. That time you can give that paging number or something different paging. I will give that one. If you cannot give in anything, default will always coming one. After that you can give product not required for right now. I'm triggering that one. What happened, my API is triggered successfully, then lot of record will coming. This is our main motto. Similar way we can also creating different API and test it. And vision this this is not required for him, it's automatically default level coming, we can accept that one. And change log I don't want to change. In case change, different path will setting also there, I'm not using right now. Default you can give that one also. This way we can manage your API, all API you can find that one. Also our next video I'll show you how can monitoring our API.